Now your channel is set up. The next important thing is to add your profile picture. It is important because it helps people to know that it's your channel right away when they see it. Your profile picture is like a personal logo on your YouTube. It's a small image that represents you as a brand that people see on your channel page, next to your videos and besides your comments. Hey creators, this is Krishna Shrestha with PerspecTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your profile picture using free tools, as well as I'm going to show you how to change or upload your profile picture. Now without wasting your time, let's get started. In order to change or upload the YouTube profile picture, head over to the youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your correct Gmail account. Since this is our brand new YouTube channel, you may see the leader as a profile picture, which is the default one, or otherwise you may see previous image as a profile picture. If you click on that, it will redirect you to the channel page. If you hover over here, it will show you edit your profile picture. Clicking on that, it will redirect you to the exact place where you want to upload or change your YouTube profile picture. On that section, you'll notice the information related with the picture dimension, size, and the type of the picture that YouTube allows as a profile picture. Since this is our brand new YouTube channel, we don't have a cool profile picture yet, but guess what? We are going to make one. For that, I'm going to use Canva.com. If you haven't heard about Canva, Canva is a very beginner-friendly graphics designing tool. Having said that, if you need a pro account, you can click the link in the description below. If you don't have a Canva account yet, no worries, it's free to sign up. Signing in or signing up with the Google account will redirect you to the homepage of the Canva. Look at the large search box, similar like a Google search box, where we can search our templates. Type in YouTube channel logo. If the suggestion comes up, please select that one. Press the search button to see the results. At the top of the search result, you'll see a filter box. Click on the price filter box and select on the free options to narrow down the search results. Even in a free option, you will get a list of awesome designs. Great, once you find the profile picture that you like, click on the desired logo design. A window pop-up will appear. Click on the customize button, which will redirect you to the customizing page where you can modify the design as per your liking. Look at the top bars in the design. Here, the very first thing, I want to change the background color that will match with my branding. When creating your profile picture, think about your viewers, what they want to see. Try to incorporate your branding within this little image. Consider using the same style and same color wherever possible. Finally, it should be clear and easy to recognize. A lot of viewers uses YouTube from mobile devices, so avoid using tiny text. So I'm going to change the color of this bar to white so that it will look like or it will resemble the camera. Remember, creativity is the key. Feel free to experiment and customize the design until it perfectly reflects your brand. Here the text I'm going to replace with anti, which means my perspective. Adjust the font size to your liking, either by selecting the options from the top or just directly entering the specific size. Now the triangle element, which is likely to possess the play button, I'll center it within the design. Send it to the back so that it's behind the text. So I'm going to adjust the transparency of this button as well, which will not affect my text. Now we are almost there. I'll select all here and move it to the exact center where you will see the horizontal and vertical line. I would like to change the text effect, something like this, which will be more visible to the user. If you like it, you can stay with the same design. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Save button, which is located at the top right corner. Then click on the Download button, which may present you different options, like a file types. Since we are using the free account, let it be as a default and hit the download button. Now it is downloading. Before that, it will ask you where to save it. So in my download section, I would like to create a folder naming my channel name. And in the future, I'll be using the same folder for my work. By keeping your YouTube journey in its own dedicated folder, you are setting yourself up for the success and staying organized every step of the way. Once your folder is created and selected, save your downloaded profile picture inside it. So you have downloaded your awesome profile picture. Now let's head to our YouTube studio to get it up and running. Now I know what you are thinking. Will my newly created YouTube profile picture will fit the YouTube guidelines? Well, not to worry. Just right click on your image, select show more option and go to property and click on details. There you can check out the dimension and size that is just right for the YouTube. Once you are in tune with the size and the dimension, let's get it uploaded. Click on upload button, navigate to the location where you store your logo. Select the channel logo from the folder where you created for your YouTube work. YouTube will provide an option to adjust your logo. It will show a preview of how it will appear within the circle. Since we have followed the template, the logo should fit perfectly with the YouTube dimensions. Click on done once you are satisfied with the adjustment. If you want to make further changes with the logo, click on the change and upload the new one. Hit the publish button to make your changes live. Upon completion, a small pop-up will confirm your changes, and the new profile picture will be visible on the top left corner as well. Sometimes the profile picture may not display immediately on your channel. If it happens, just simply hit the refresh button. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on the next one. Until then, stay creative. Peace.